This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Frank Struck. Beautifully renovated 2-bedroom townhome. Private entry courtyard patio, perfect for outdoor living. The first floor features a fully remodeled open kitchen floor plan and dining area allowing for a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Updated half bathroom on the main floor. Convenient washer/dryer. Impact sliders and windows. Spacious master bedroom with large walk-in closet and upgraded bathroom. The second bedroom also includes an updated bathroom. Residents of the community have access to a range of amenities including pool, clubhouse and more. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this beautifully renovated townhome in the Patio homes of Pine Island Ridge. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Struck at 646-594-5656.